Good morning, students. Welcome to our school online classes. In this session, again, I am going to discuss about the introduction part of coordinate geometry because of a technical problem. This session, I am going to explain again. Okay. In 9th standard, all of you know what is coordinate geometry because in 9th standard, we are all completed how to locate the points on Cartesian plane, position of the Cartesian plane according to x-axis, according to y-axis, like this. Okay. Then first, what is the use of coordinate geometry? It is very important. What is the use of coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics. It is one of the part of the mathematics. This is the relationship between. We are going to study about the relationship between coordinate and geometry. Coordinate geometry is like the Cartesian plane and some geometrical equations. Coordinate, it is the relationship between coordinates and geometrical part. Okay, coordinates means purely Cartesian plane. Coordinates means it is purely based on a Cartesian plane. Now, it is one of the important chapter. One of the important chapter. Already I told you the weightage is I think 4 to 5 marks. 4 to 5 marks. The weightage of the coordinate geometry is how much? 4 to 5 marks. Okay. Now we have to recapture your knowledge. Okay. Okay. Coordinate geometry has been developed as an algebraic tool for studying geometrical figures. Coordinate geometry has been developed. Has been developed. It is a tool of. It is an algebraic tool. It is an algebraic tool. It is an algebraic tool for studying geometry of figures. Geometry of figures. It helps us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. With the help of geometry, because of this, coordinate geometry is widely applied in various fields. Widely applied in various fields such as physics, engineering, navigation, seismology, and art. Okay. Now, what is the importance of coordinate geometry? It is the one of the tool. It is one of the tool. This tool is developed. Is an algebraic tool for studying geometry of figures. Geometry of figures. Why we are ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ geometry to study the geometrical figures with the help of algebraic part. Coordinate geometry nothing but it is the mixture of algebra and geometry. It is developed. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ? Because it is one of the tool. It's one of the tool to study the geometrical figures with the help of algebraic part. Okay. Now, all of you know it is x, it is x dash, y dash. It is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant, it is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both are positive. Second quadrant, always we should represent x-axis first, y-axis second. X-axis first and y-axis second. Then here x-axis value is here, minus y-axis value is plus. Third quadrant, x-axis value minus y-axis value is also minus. Then here x-axis value is positive, y-axis value is negative. Therefore, first quadrant both are positive. Second quadrant negative, positive. Third quadrant both are negative. Fourth quadrant positive and negative. So in coordinate geometry is the tool to study about we are going to study about geometrical figures with the help of algebraic part. Now this is a Cartesian plane. All of you know this Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane having how many quadrants? 4 quadrants. How to locate the points? Do you know? How to locate the points? How to locate the points? Okay. Now we will the first A, 2, 3, B, minus 2, 1, C, sorry, minus 3, minus 2, D, 4, minus 2. Okay. Now first A2, comma 3 means it is x-axis, it is y-axis. It means x-axis, y-axis. Here, first one is considered as abscissa. It is considered as ordinate. What is abscissa? Abscissa is the position of the. It is the value. It is the position according to x-axis. What is the abscissa? Abscissa means it is the position of a point with respect to x-axis. It means indirectly value of x-axis. Indirectly value of x-axis is considered as abscissa. Value of y-axis is considered as ordinate. Value of x-axis is considered as abscissa. Y-axis value is considered as ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa and here abscissa is 2. Ordinate is 3. Here abscissa is minus 2. Ordinate is 1. Abscissa is ordinate is minus 2. Abscissa is 4. Ordinate is minus 2. How we can locate? Here both are positive means it appears in which quadrant? First quadrant. A point. X value is how much here? X value is 2. Y value is 3. X value is y. X value is y. It is here point 2, comma 3. It is the position. Okay. It is the position. What is the value of B? B. X value is how much? Minus 2. Y value is 1. Minus 2 and 1. It is considered as B. C. Both the X value is minus 3. Y value is minus 2. It is considered as C. What is the D? X value is 4. Y value is minus 2. It is D. It is D. All of you know how to locate the point in Cartesian plane. How to locate the point in Cartesian plane. First x-axis, y-axis. Sorry, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First, second, and third, and fourth. Dear students, if the algebraic expression having degree 1, if the algebraic equation, the algebraic expression, if algebraic expression in the form of linear equation, if algebraic expression in the form of algebraic in a linear equation, the geometrical representation is always a straight line. Always it is straight line. Always it is straight line. If the algebraic expression in the form of linear equation, the geometrical representation is always straight line. Always straight line. If the algebraic expression in the form of quadratic, their graphical representation is parabola. Parabola nothing but it is in the U shape. Parabola nothing but U shape. If the algebraic expression in the form of linear equation, their geometrical representation is straight line. If the algebraic expression in the form of quadratic, their graphical representation is parabola. Okay, parabola. Okay. Parabola. If the algebraic expression in the form of linear, their graphical representation is a straight line. If the algebraic expression in the form of quadratic, their graphical representation is parabola. Okay, it's simple. If degree is 1, if highest degree is 1, it is straight line. If highest degree is 2, it is parabola. Equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ highest degree 1 ಇದೆಯಾ 2 ಇದೆ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ definitely there is graphical representation is a straight line. If the highest degree is 2, then definitely you are in the graph always in the form of U or parabola. U shape nothing but parabola. Okay. minus 2. Okay, the coordinates of A are the coordinates of A are 0, 2. The coordinates of B are 3, 0. Here x value is 0. X always, and also it is very important. All of you know the coordinates of origin are always 0, 0. Always the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Here x value is 0 means is here. Y value is plus 2 means plus 2. Y or y dash? Plus means it is y. The position is here 0, 2. It is position of A. Then here B. What is the value of y here? Y value is 3 here. X value is 0. The position of 3, 0. It is B position. It is A position. It is B position. It means what it indicates. Keep in mind, students. If x value is 0, if x-axis value is 0, x-axis value is 0. If x-axis value is 0, the point lies on y-axis. If x-axis value is 0, the position of the point is lies on y-axis. If the x-axis value is 0, the point lies on y-axis. If y-axis value is 0, the point lies on which axis? X-axis. X value is 0 means lies on y-axis. Y value 0 means lies on x-axis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ f ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ. if x value 0 ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ? y axis. Here y value 0 ಇದೆ means it lies on x axis. If the x axis value is 0, point lies on y axis. If y value is 0 means the point lies on x axis. Okay. Now, sir, how we can find the distance between 0 here O? Origin means it is considered O, A, B, then AB. Distance of O is how much units? 2 units. The distance of OB is how much units? 3 units. Then how we can find distance of AB? How we can find the distance of AB? How we can distance of, you see here? OAB. Yes. OAB. The coordinates of A are here. The coordinates of O are 0, 0. The coordinates of A are 0, 2. The coordinates of B are 3, 0. 3, 0. 3, 0 because x value is 3, y value is 0 means here. So how we can find the distance? It is very important. O, the coordinates are 0, 0. A coordinates 0, 2. B coordinates 3, 0. Okay. Now it is in the form of right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Yes. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. It means AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. It means the distance of OA square is equal to distance of OB square. Distance of OA square plus distance of OB square. The distance of OA, how many coordinates is there? It is considered as x1, y1, x2, y2. If AB is distance, it is considered as x1, y1, x2, y2. The position of OA, if we have to find the distance of AO means x1, y1, x2, y2. If the distance, we have to find the distance of OB means it is considered as x1, y1, x2, y2. x2, y2. So how we can find the any distance between any 2 points on Cartesian plane? It is very important. So how we can find the distance of any 2 points on Cartesian plane? Sir, how we can find the distance between any 2 points on Cartesian plane with the help of which formula? Distance formula. We are able to find. We have one formula, sir. N find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ Cartesian plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We can find the distance between any 2 points on Cartesian plane. One formula is there. That formula is called distance formula. One of the important formula. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Okay, the distance formula d is equal to consider as root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula, or the important formula. Compulsory 2 mark problem bande barutte, compulsory bande barutte. Distance formula compulsory 2 mark bande barutte. The distance formula is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay sir, now ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? It is O A is considered as C ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So it is on triangle ಇದೆ ACB. AC, the coordinates of A are 0, 2. The coordinates of C are 0, 0. The coordinates of B are 3, 0. So find the perimeter ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ question. Simple. Find the perimeter of a triangle ABC. It is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, it means always it is the we are going to study about the entire the coordinates of in Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane alli I concept irbeku nam taleli. Okay, find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of this particular triangle on Cartesian plane. Adu concept irbeku nam hatra. Okay, it means the coordinates of A are 0, 2. The coordinates of C are 0, 0. The coordinates of B are 3, 0. So find the perimeter means, perimeter nothing but sum of all three sides. Sum of all three sides means distance of AB, distance of AC, distance of CB. So how we can find distance AC? How we can find distance AC? Yes, we are able to find the distance if we have to find the distance AC. Okay, root. If we have to find the distance of AC means it is considered as x1 y1, it is considered as x2 y2. AC. If CA means it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. AC or CA both are same. We are root. X2 value is how much here? 0 minus x1 value is 0 whole square plus y2 value is how much? 0 minus y1 value is 2 whole square is equal to 0 minus 0, 0 square is 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus square is plus 2 square is 4. Therefore answer is 2. Therefore distance of OC is equal to how much? 2 units. It is very important. 2 units. Distance of AC is over. Next, distance of BC. Distance of BC, again same formula. Distance of BC. Distance of BC. How we can find distance? Distance of BC or CB, both are same. Okay, CB. Distance of CB means it is considered as x1 y1, it is x2 y2. CB means x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 y1, x2 y2. Therefore x1 CB means x1 y1, x2 y2. Here what is the value of x2? x2 value is 3 minus x1 value is 0 square plus y2. What is the value of y2? 0. y1 is also 0. Therefore CB is equal to 0 minus 0, 0 square is 0. Then 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 square is root 9. Root 9 nothing but 3 units. Then the distance of CB is how much? 3 units. Then how we can find distance of AB? Same formula. AB is equal to root. If AB is the distance means x1 y1, x2 y2. Therefore here x2 value is 3 minus x1 value is 0 whole square plus here what is the value of y2? 0 minus 2 whole square. Therefore 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 square is 9 plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 minus square is plus 2 square is 4. Therefore 9 plus 4 is how much? Root 13 units. How much? Root 13 units. So distance of AC is 2 units. Distance of CB is 3 units. Distance of AB is root 13 units. How we can find with the help of coordinates of a point. Okay. We are going to study the geometrical figures with the help of Cartesian plane. With the help of Cartesian plane. Now it is a geometrical figure. This area or length or perimeter of this geometrical figure. ಈ perimeter ಯಾವ help ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು? Coordinates of a point. Coordinates of a point. A Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ geometrical figures ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. In which chapter? Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Geometrical figures now Cartesian plane and study with the help of these coordinates. With the help of these coordinates. With the help of these coordinates. Okay. Another one formula is there. It is the distance formula. Another one formula is there. You see, students, particularly if point P, if any one point P, now it is considered any one point P, the coordinates are 2, 3 like this. Okay, if P, it is a one point, the coordinates are 2, 3. The distance between origin from the point P, the another point, the position of another point, the Q is another point, the position of the Q is origin. The coordinates of origin are always 0, 0. It means 0. Now it is the P points. Okay. Sorry, it is X, Y. Okay. The P position 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. X value is 2, Y value is 3. The position of 2, 3. Okay. The position of P comma is 2, 3. Okay. Then the distance between one point from the origin. Distance between one point from the origin. Now the point is P. From the origin, what is the distance of OP? It is very important. The distance of OP. Okay, distance of OP. The distance between one point from the origin is always, distance formula is converted into like this, root x square plus y square. Root x square plus y square. Sir, yeah, because the coordinates of origin are always called 0, 0. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. It is 2, 3. It is considered as x1, y1. It is considered as x2, y2. OP means x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, D is equal to distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, D is equal to root. Here, what is the value of x2 here? 2 minus x1 value is 0 whole square plus y2 value is 3 minus it is 0 whole square. Therefore, 2 minus 0 is 2 square plus 3 minus 0 is 3 square. Therefore, it is in the form of x square plus y square. X square plus y square in the form of x square plus y square, because it means that the distance between one point from the origin, distance of any point from the origin. Therefore, the distance between any point from the origin is how much? D is equal to always root x square plus y square. So, this formula name bardadri idinna haakಕೊಳ್ಳಿ problem ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. It is useful for all kind of points. ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ಇದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. After simplification of this formula, it will come. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. From the origin only, then only root x square plus y square. It is for all the points. It is for all the points. Okay? It is for all the points. Okay. Now, this is your homework problem. Find the distance between. Okay. First to second to third. A 2, 3. B 3, 4. C 4, 5. Find the distance. AB is equal to how much? BC is equal to how much? AC is equal to how much? Same for all. A is equal to -3, -2. B 2, -1. C 0, 4. Then A 0, -2. B 2, -3. C 0 comma minus 2. For all same find AB, BC, AC with the help of distance formula. AB, BC, AC. All of you know how we can find AB, BC, AC. Okay, AB, BC, AC. A 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, C 4 comma 5. Now we have minus 3 minus 2 beam 2 minus 1 C 0 comma 4. Third one A 0 comma minus 2. Then 2 comma minus 3 C 0 comma minus 2. First one only one with the non-solve market remaining to solve it. For AB, first AB. AB. The distance of AB means it is considered as x1 y1, it is considered as x2 y. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore AB is equal to, what is the value of x2 here? 3 minus x1 value is 2 whole square plus what is the value of y2? 4 minus y1 value is 3 whole square. Therefore AB is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus 4 minus 3 is also 1 square. Therefore root 1 square plus 1 square is also 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 is how much? Root 2 units. Therefore distance of AB is how much? 2 units. Root 2 units. Okay, root 2 units. If BC means how we can find BC? x1 y1 x2 y2. How we can find BC? x1 y1 x2 y2. Same x1 y1 x2 y2. Then BC x1 y1 x2 y2. What is the value of x2 here? 4 minus x1 value is 3 whole square plus what is the value of y2? 5 minus y1 value is 4 whole square. Again same 4 minus 3 is 1 square plus 5 minus 4 is 1 square. Okay, and then 1 square is 1. Again it is also root 2 units. It is also root 2 units. If AB is over, BC is over, next AC. How we can find AC? Again AC means it is considered as x1, it is considered as x2 y2. x2 y2. Therefore x2 minus x1, x2 value is 4 minus x1 value is 2 square plus what is the value of y2? 5 minus y1 is 3 whole square. If AC is the distance means x1 y1 x2 y2. If you are considering CA means it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Both will come same answer, don't worry. Here 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 5 minus 3 is also 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is how much? Root 8 units. Therefore the distance of AC is how much? Root 8 units. Okay. Remaining two problem is solve ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಳೆ exercise. Before going to exercise, how to find the roots ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು exercise. Thank you. ಹೇಳಿ.